Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into the world of digital art with the Wacom Cintiq Pro 22. Now, if you're an aspiring artist or a seasoned professional, stick around because this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Alright, let's start with the design. The Cintiq Pro 22 sports a sleek and minimalist design, with thin bezels and a spacious 21.5-inch display. It's not just about looks though. This thing is built like a tank. The build quality feels solid, and the display has an edge-to-edge etched glass surface, giving you that classic Wacom paper-like feel. Now, one thing you'll notice right away is the absence of physical controls on the front. Instead, the Cintiq Pro 22 features hidden buttons around the back, keeping the front clean and clutter-free. It might take a bit of getting used to, but once you do, it's a breeze to navigate. Speaking of controls, let's talk about the ExpressKeys and the Pro Pen 3. The ExpressKeys, located on the rear panel, offer customizable shortcuts to streamline your workflow. And the Pro Pen 3? It's a game changer. With 8,192 pressure levels and tilt recognition, it's like drawing on paper, but better. Now, let's talk connectivity. The Cintiq Pro 22 comes equipped with a range of ports, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and DisplayPort. Plus, it has a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth and responsive performance, whether you're sketching or animating. Alright, let's dive into the display settings. Here's where things get interesting. The Cintiq Pro 22 offers a wide range of color modes, from sRGB to Adobe RGB, giving you precise control over your color accuracy. The only downside? The settings menu can be a bit cumbersome to navigate, but once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The Cintiq Pro 22 doesn't come cheap, especially when you factor in the cost of the stand or arm, which is essential for most users. But here's the thing, folks. When it comes to quality and performance, Wacom is second to none. Sure, there are competitors out there offering similar features at a lower price, but if you're serious about your craft, the investment is worth it. And there you have it, folks, our take on the Wacom Cintiq Pro 22. It's a premium tool for creative professionals who demand nothing but the best. So, if you're ready to take your digital art to the next level, look no further. This is Product Critique, signing off. Thanks for watching.